Okay, sir. Please, can you react to what has just happened in the court today? What do you think about this development?
I think what happened today in the court is quite unfortunate, but it shows us the work that. Are you doing what I asked you to do? Okay, thank you very much. My name is Peter Aka, Peter for Nigeria. What happened in court today, as unfortunate as it is, it only goes to show us that we have a lot of work to do. Not every person who criticizes a bad government is interested in a better country. Some people only traffic as long as the system is bad because it puts them in business. Let it be very clear, I have been with justice throughout this issue. Justice's lawyer, Justice Crack lawyer is Professor Sam Amadi. When he came to court on Monday, he had another engagement and he was not robed because we got information that he would be arraigned that morning. So he was not robed, but he was in court. So since he was not robed, he had to call another lawyer, Barrister Clement, to stand in for justice with Barrister Femi Balogun. Both of them are also senior to Barrister Marshal. Marshal came into the court and said he will be a part of it. By the time they got into court, Marshal said he wanted to lead. Barrister Clement said, I am the lead counsel. I took instruction from Professor Sam to stand. He said no, that he wanted to lead, and Barrister Clement and Femi said because they didn't want to cause issue, the judge was already asking what is going on. They stood down and said he should lead, but they appeared as co-counsels for justice. When they finished, they said put up a bail application. They came out together. Barrister Femi called the wife. We went to bring her. They did a deposition. They did the bail application together, Marshal and Femi. Marshal put his name on the application and filed and submitted. And nobody thought there was any mischievous intent because of course they were working together. Now, prior to now, the bail application kept stalling throughout last week. Femi had to write a reminder to the judge, pleading that the date should please be given. With all the work we did throughout last week, we kept coming to court. There is a lot that we have not been talking on this case because I don't want to join issues. I know all that is going on social media. Whatever that happens, we got a date and it was fixed for today, Thursday. And then Marshal came to court. And the judge, her Lordship Justice Abdul Malik said, who is the lead counsel so that you can mention and then mention the other people who are appearing. Barrister Femi Balogun stood up and introduced himself. Marshal said no, he must introduce himself as the lead counsel. The judge asked Justice, said, okay, who should lead? He said Femi can lead, that they are working together. Marshal said no. He took exception to it and told the judge that if he's not going to lead the defense of justice, he wants to withdraw the bail application because he took his own name. The judge looked at him and said, you want to withdraw everything you have filed on behalf? The judge was shocked at the action today in court. Marshal said everything should be taken out. And then when, in fact, the judge wanted to even give, she said that out of my mercy that I'm going to allow you to come back. She actually cautioned justice on the kind of counsels that represented him. She made certain statements I don't want to say because I don't want to join issues. The judge said that I want to give you a near date. You should be brought back tomorrow, but by tomorrow they can't do service to DSS and all other parties. So she said 48 hours, which will be by Saturday. But by the next sitting day, which is Monday, please, he should be brought back to court so that he can hear his bail and commence trial. And then she said other things, which of course we'll know by next week. So that was what happened, and then we walked out. So Sowore and everybody was trying to talk to Marshal, and his words and statement to everybody.
I have him on record.
He pushed justice, pushed the wife away, and said that it is he said that it is his bail application, it is not our document. Meanwhile, since when he filed that bail last week Monday, everybody has been trying to get a copy of that bail application because we wanted to ensure we fast track it. Barrister Marshal, make it
very short. In front of everybody, judge, yes, everybody, he withdrew. Marshal withdrew because he's not lead counsel. I've never seen anything like this.
They don't catch very that my lawyer, Marshal. Justice for Marshal, please. Justice for Marshal, please.
What's it not good?
Wait, no good.
Where are we talking?
PTM lawyer, they don't hold on more.
I don't go to you.
They don't hold BTM lawyer like this one.
They're not cheating you with small money. Small money, they're not cheating you with that. Don't tell me my stop. After the best, I don't stop you.
Marshal, wetin happen? Wetin happen? Why you cancel the case?
It's okay, allow him to talk.
Jesus, they don't Marshal like this one. But I say they don't reach, pass us in the net. Wait, now men allow her talk now. Allow her to talk. Allow her to talk now. Guys. Guys. Wait first, no, wait first. No, yeah for man. Yeah for me now. Yes. Yes, yeah for me. No, yeah for my face now. No, yeah for my face. Okay, if I make it lie to us. Make it lie to us now. Lawyer, they defend you down there. See if you go to the lawyer defend them. So you yeah for man.
Yeah, for man.
So Barrister Marshal, so you stupid like this, you not tell me, eh? So you move like this, you not tell me. You let me travel all the way from Benin to Abuja like this, urgent flights, eh? Come this place. You use your hand to spoil the case, Barrister Marshal, eh? Because of the cheap fame when they give you online, your social media fame when they give you. Somebody husband justice crack, therefore this is with the sins. Get to free the young man because of corruption. So you corrupt and don't know Marshal. Eh? Jesus, oh God. So after you be, eh? Guys, this world, money possess everything in this country. Imagine justice crack reach court, the bail application waiting for Marshal hand. For Marshal to release her, he disqualify and say I don't remove my hand for the matter because of unknown thing. Even disrespect to Sowore. He never care about this guy feelings. He never care say this guy don't suffer. If na money involved for this thing, say anybody use money to bribe anybody for this thing, so may God let them use that money they prepare that person burial. If anybody is shopping money or trying to place smart in this justice crack, may they use that money to celebrate that person burial. You guys are very, very wicked. Better speak truth. You as a lawyer, you carry a case will not give you. Because of online fame, you become celebrity lawyer. Eh? Marshal, you personate. I swear to God. You disqualify the case, Abi. No worry. There's time for everything. By the grace of God, Justice Clark will get other lawyer again, and they go free him. Not because you be lawyer. Wickedness, just imagine. I spend money from all the way from Benin, come Abuja, urgent flight. Only my coming here is 195. Now going back again, the same thing. Yeah, this short man disqualify the case. Will be wicked man, no worry. They are very wicked. See now, with the fact of I think I call that this now. Matter don't disqualify the case.
No, you are the chief for Facebook.
I do a video like this.
What is that your name, sir?
Bona Mike.
Your one name.
You say your colleague don't disqualify our case like this. Mr. Mike. Very painful.
Mr. Mike, I'm one of your...
Well done, sir. Well done. Guys, Basha, you get me, so no one.
Against the principles of the so person swear to shouldn't have gone that route. If one of you decided to regulate his grievances in a particular manner you're not comfortable with, the right thing to do is to reach out to such a person and say, comrade, why not resolve it in this other manner? And I told them clearly that time when this thing transpired that you do not cut off your nose in order to spite one day when you but however that product is being made, you do not fight your friends in the presence of your enemies and fight with definition and definition or destroy them. So it was on that basis of this conflict of interest, I mean, making a mountain out of a mountain that I warranted today's episode. But on a personal note, I do not hold grudges and I do not have any personal grievances against anybody. I was willing and ready to proceed with the matter, even despite the but upon the decision of some of our comrades to ensure that another lawyer comes to proceed, I willfully withdrew my appearance so that the new can be done and I can proceed on Monday. By now, as far as this matter is concerned, we still want justice for this situation.
By now, your agitation is very clear.
On the agitations that Justice Clark must be. He's one of us, he's our brother, he's our comrade, and we are concerned about his rebirth. And that must be the show.
At least by now, your exposition is very, very clear.
So to what he said. In support to what Marshal said. I followed him when he traveled. At exactly 1:15 a.m. this morning, I called him. I was awake because I was monitoring. I called him. I said, Marshal, how far? He said he just entered his house. So if he was not interested in getting the guy out, he would not cut short his trip. And when I came in this morning, I was still chatting with him this morning. When I came into court, I met Femi. I said, this is the message that Marshal sent to me. Marshal sent the message on WhatsApp that hold my brief, should in case I come late to court. So, and I showed Femi, I said, this is the message, this is what Marshal said. He said no, that he was going to leave. So, and I said, call Marshal. He refused. I called Marshal in his presence, put it on loudspeaker, and Marshal said, I'm already by the court, I want to enter now. And this guy was hearing with me. So, when Marshal entered, the judge gave a hint that if Marshal withdraw his appearance, automatically whatever he fights is going with him. And Femi was sitting down, still challenging Marshal's appearance. And it will interest you to know that Femi and Marshal, they appeared together on the day of arraignment. So I expected that immediately Femi saw Marshal, he was arguing with me, which is fine. But immediately he saw Marshal, he should just allow him. And when the judge gave the hint that once you withdraw your appearance, anything you file is going. And what that means is, the bail application will not be held.
Okay, to save time and to save time and otherwise, the argument is normally
that had a case from going in. So I said, we are not interested in going in. One of us is there. Let the blind man just go. You get. At the end of the day, we're able to resolve all that. Only for us to see our people come outside and say that he wasn't granted bail. And the reason is because the lawyer, Barrister Marshal, who filed the bail application, withdrew the application. You know, the judge, according to what they said, was surprised. He asked the lawyer, you are withdrawing all this, like we should send him back because you won't be the lead counsel. mind you, the person who is actually justice lawyer is senior to him in the bar, and he's been, also active in the case. That person was supposed to be the lead counsel from day one. Marshal first introduced, and because they didn't want vacation in court, they allowed him. They all jointly applied for the bail, the bail application. I'm so shocked, I'm short of words, to call the long story short, in front of everybody, judge, everybody, he withdrew. Marshal withdrew because he's not lead counsel. I've never seen anything like this. A human rights lawyer withdrew the bail, like no matter your grievances, you've been lead lawyer in various cases.
Oga Bidia won't collect the glory.
Oga! Bidia won't collect the glory. Marshal acted in his own. Does Marshal not have his own sense? Does he not know the effort we put in? So don't tag it. Nobody's influencing anybody to do anything. You did it. It's on record that Marshal Abubakar sent him back to prison today. That's all. Because you would not allow your ego down. You could even allow it flow for the judge Abu Malik that everybody does not like. That they've tagged an APC judge to ask you again, you are doing this. It's just like the devil being shocked at what you are doing. That's what happened inside the court. I'm here, I can't even shout, I can't even cry. At this point, I think justice should stay in that detention for the full 26 days. There's no need. We've been coming here every day, we've been putting effort. Even when he traveled, we needed the papers application that he did. We were asking for it. He was tossing us around. We had to go and get CTC from the court. We had to work without him because you fight for it. You should be here. But you traveled. Okay, no problem. We have to find a way around to get this date to day Thursday. And now you come from travel because you will not lead. You drag the rug from our feet. I'm not angry with him. That's it. I'm not offended. I'm good. God knows best.
Okay.
That is Nigeria. That is what Marshal. I tell you people, what the hell is now? I said that all of because you now said that all of us are betrayers. He said that we are stupid people. That all of us are betrayers. That we are stupid. I have him on record. He said it. I have him on record. I have him on. And the lie. Wait, and I make a notice that he lie against. He pushed justice against him. Make everybody listen to talk to him. Wait, make everybody make a notice that they lie against him. He pushed justice. God bless you. I did everything now. They want me. Marshal is in trouble. He don't stop. I did even when you talk to him for the better. He's a thief. Is he your bail? Is he your bail? Why that guy they do like that, sir? And the letter part. This is what we are taking to Marshal. Met with the Minister of Justice, PPPF, and the concept of the Minister of Justice to see that we get justice for justice. We've been following up on this matter for quite a while. We're unfortunately in court today. Another lawyer, who Far Jr., appeared in court and said he has instructions some persons to lead or to represent the system. And I said, well, that's okay. He has the right to it. And you said that's okay? I said that's okay. He has the right to it. But I've been hearing some rumors. Although he never approached me before the court. He waited to the moment of appearance to say that if another lawyer and I just proceed to take over such a law, the duty of me is to approach that lawyer and say that instructions of so. I didn't just come to this matter online. It was the wife of the husband. I reached out to her ceased in Abuja. We will now bring it that pro bono. I have never taken a pro bono from anybody. I have defended Justice Clark from day one. At the risk and expense of my life and liberty, free of charge. I have filed matters in this case free of charge. For most of the high-profile cases you see that are in Abuja today, they don't pay me. So I had a vacation till the end of this month, but I thought the vacation was on account of this case. I came back to Nigeria for this matter. But when he did not approach me, he just stood up in court and appeared and announced his appearance and just said, this is not the procedure.
The last time Marshal
according to legal standards.
According to legal standards, this is not the procedure. The last time it was Marshal that led the execution. Why are we having a execution? We have to ask some persons to appear for the defendant. And I told the judge, just say, well, Marshal, now you have a choice. Are you going to withdraw your appearance, which is another thing? I said, well, my lord, in view of what I respectfully and once you withdraw an appearance in a matter, the consequential orders must be made, which includes every process required in the
Can I ask you one question, sir? Please, according to what you have said now, you've told us that most of the cases that you will follow is based on humanitarian services.
Purely humanitarian.
Okay. Now, if actually you will do humanitarian service to Justice Crack, you should understand the circumstances and allow the case to continue based on humanitarian.
Case continued.
No, I mean the bail argument today.
The bail argument wouldn't have proceeded once you would. The procedure is this: once the judge withdraws his appearance in the matter, the application back here.
You can't be an oppressor fighting oppressors. It's not something
sorry, sir.
Having withdrawn your appearance,
I want my voice to be there.
your application goes.
Okay, sorry, sir. So now we are trying all the effort that you've been working for the past weeks has been aborted. So now we are starting afresh
Nothing
again.
has been aborted. The court was granted enough.
So are you withdrawing from the case officially?
No, officially, I've withdrawn from the case.
You are withdrawing from the
It
case.
doesn't mean we will not continue our decisions for Justice Pratt's.
But it means, sorry, sir. It simply means since you decided to withdraw today, it means we have to start afresh again with the bail condition or the bail agreement. I don't know the legal term that you use.
There is no such thing.
Can we continue from where you stopped? That's where you withdraw.
The court clearly stated it in court.
You wrote a petition and demanded Gilot because Gilot was having an issue with very that man. Is that how a public interest money behaves?
Based on the application of the
they don't work on you.
It simply means they have
all of us go by next day.
I know you will not tell us. I know you will not tell us. I think it is humanly right to ask questions. You don't have any tips from anywhere or anybody advice you against the case and all that. So that we should know where. I know you will not tell us.
I was in Europe.
Okay.
I thought my stay
you think they don't work?
to come back
Because of this.
if I have an interest, if I have a contrary interest in this matter, I will not stand in court to make this application. They never even serve the counter or not. I'm telling the judge that your lordship, despite the failure to serve the counter, we still intend to proceed. Because we believe that we can make. Why are you withdrawing from the court? I'm not withdrawing from I'm withdrawing from the court. I leave counsel in this matter. Yes. But what we're saying is this: I was informed. There are so many behind the scenes. I think principally what necessitated today's dichotomy as far as legal position is concerned. I think it's just the anger with media. And it's quite unfortunate. I often tell people, those of us in the left and the periphery, we're in danger. It does not serve any useful purpose to see that the people who are in danger are fighting amongst us. We have a bigger and a major enemy, which is the United States, that has decided to ensure that in this country, democracy does not strive, the freedom and liberty of Nigerians are not. This is the bigger major goal of the project. And as a person, I often insist that
Nigerians are concerned about the fact
when I'm done, you ask questions, that it does not serve any purpose to see that leftists, either mild leftists or hardcore leftists or revolutionary leftists, are fighting